Today is Sunday, March 26th, 2022, and Lois and I just got this new cell phone, and we thought we'd try and figure out how to use it and maybe actually text more than 6 times in 20 years. So I'm going to try and send a video, and I thought the first video I should do is last night at 4 in the morning, our muffler on our toilet quit working. So I'm going to have to, that'll be today's project to fix that. So here's what it sounds like without the muffler. Okay, I think I have it fixed now. So we'll see what it sounds like with it. I don't know if it'll be huge improvement or not. Yeah, I think that did make a pretty big improvement. So I think I'll send this text off as my first attempt to put a video in a text.